If I could visit my younger self, I would go back to the day when I was awake early in the morning. Earlier than everybody, but I couldn't stay in bed any longer. My heart just screamed to get out, get up, without knowing what would happen. It just knew, this day is good. Water is my favorite beverage. Crazy, right? Water is fucking amazing. Yeah, I know. I really said something there. Amazing shit if you ask me. Do you know the feeling you get when you see your first butterfly of the year? Look, a butterfly. It's beautiful how you share it with somebody. A fucking butterfly. Amazing. I love that about humans. Humans doing cute human shit. Oops. What happened? When you look at the clock and think, when is this day finally over? Think about your child self. How you woke up. Your heart as full as your tummy after a good meal. Your energy so high. Being excited about nothing but the day itself. No expectations. Just pure joy. Your child's heart. It's still inside of you. And me. I guess. I don't know.